So welcome to another DONRASTA DIY Reimagined Spaces. So today we have a particular task and I'm gonna show you in a second, but it is one that I think will offer a little challenge, a little adventure, a little creativity. DONRASTA Do It Yourself DIY Reimagined Spaces. Alright, so you see this latch right here. See how we can fix this in the most secure way and still preserve the beauty of the door and everything. You know, but most of all, the security. First step I think is gonna be digging it out and measuring up some pieces to fill in there. So the tool I think I will be using today will be my drill, some screws, some 2-inch screws, and even two very long ones, probably 4-inch, and my tape measure of course, and my pen, marker, and some Phillips head screwdriver and flathead screwdriver, and also my wonderful trusted chisel. It's a 3/4 inch chisel. And maybe I use this big boy. You know I love using power tool. And I will get my hammer for sure. So bring this back to life so it can be sturdy, trustworthy, and still looking neat and beautiful. Okay. I already measured it. It's 1.5 inches deep up in there to clear all of this inside wood. You know, that's what I would like to do, you know, clear all this inside wood and fill it in with something sturdy, and so I could reinforce it on this side as well. So let's go. So we reached a point where I did this, a 2 by 1.5 inch, 1.5 for the depth and 2 the width. So I made this cut, and as you can see, so we're going to put the wood in a hole right here now. Here goes. So now we got it in there perfectly. We're now gonna reinforce it. So I did some touches on it. Work my magic. Let me just show you the final. Here we go, right here. Here we have our lock system. It was totally torn out, but now I had replaced it with a 2 by 1.5 piece of wood. Fill it in, made the hole, put this metal casing back on there, and I went ahead and I also caulked it all up, and now leaving it to dry. The lock fits perfectly. Fits perfectly, precisely in there. Just a little hint for using caulk. You can always touch it with your wet hand. Swipe it, you get a nice little smoothness. But all is left for us to do right here now is to paint. So I'll just touch it up with a little bit of paint. And the finishing totally done. And I see my clean up. Place look nice. Nice and clean. More want to pay some attention to this lock. As you can see, there was a hole right there that they replaced the lock. Patch that out with some caulk and baiting. So we have the lock right here. Boom, boom, boom. And you have the hole that was there. As I say, I'm gonna touch it up with some paint. So I'm just waiting for the caulk to dry. Then I just touch up these areas with some paint. I think I'll use the cabinet paint for trimmings. Cover up all of these with some caulk. Wow. Nice. And there you go. So, place, floor, clean up, everything nice and neat, as it should be at the end of the job. And today, task accomplished. Fix that door jam. It's all good right now, secure and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and I'll show you more of the DONRASTA DIY Do It Yourself Reimagine Spaces. See y'all, and keep on shining and being great. I'm out. Blessed love.